5 double O, being smoking flashy rings. Bitches are super like a dream. Been known to disappear before your ops like a dope fiend. It seems my main thing was to be major, pay the game sharper than the motherfucking brain. Say money bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One niggas getting jealous and motherfuckers die.